Super corn.
I don't think we need to buy Sadie any more toys. We just give her an ear of corn. Hi. Is that too bright on your eyes? That better? Look at her eyes. What's up? What's up, eyes? Sadie, do you want to give the corn back to Dada?
Can Daddy have it? Can Dada have the corn?
Can Dada have the corn?
Can Dada have it?
Oh, what a good girl. Thank you, Sweet Pea. Oh. Oh. Thank you, baby. Let's go have a bath. Do you think so, Sadie? I mean, your hair looks beautiful today, and your fingers are nice and clean and all, but...
Can I have the corn, Sadie? Yeah, can Daddy have it? Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Sadie.
Thank you. Daddy have it? Daddy have the corn? Thank you.
Thank you, Sadie.
How about now? Can I have it now? Thank you.
Oh. Okay. Bye, baby girl. Yep. Oh, yep. Uh-huh. Where are you putting it?
In my pocket.
Yep. Oh, it doesn't fit in your pocket. Hi, bye-bye, baby. Bye, sweet pea.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye, sweetie. Oh, I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah, I love you. Give Daddy the corn. Yeah, bye-bye. I love you.